Just getting started in LEGO Fortnite? You'll need a crafting bench first. Here's how to build one fast. Step 1. Gather 6 wood. Simply chop trees near your spawn. Next, open your build menu. That's Q on PC, then head to the utility tab. Select the crafting bench and place it wherever you like. Make sure the area is clear. Use the bench to craft tools and gear. You can also upgrade it later to unlock better items. And that's it. You've got your first crafting bench ready to go. Like and follow for more LEGO Fortnite tips. See you around, everybody!